are you doing, team? Nokia Power is here, and we welcome you all to a very interesting video. In this video, we will unbox and set up the Nokia 6.1 4GB RAM version. So this Nokia 6.1 4GB RAM version comes for the price of rupees 18,999, which is like 2,000 rupees higher than the 3GB RAM version. So basically, it's a new color. It's a different color. It's let's see, it's blue gold. So since a new color, so we thought of unboxing it. Okay, so one thing that you will notice here quickly is that it is again made in India. So we repeatedly tell you that all of the Nokia phones are made in India. Okay, so let's quickly have a look at the specs. So all other specs are like familiar because you may have seen on Nokia 6.1 already. But what is different is the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. So both are like an upgrade, and we must say significant upgrade over the 3GB RAM and 32GB version, 32GB storage version. Okay, so let's go for unboxing now. Okay. So here is your device in blue gold, and we expect that the rest of the package would be the same. So you may have seen this package in case of Nokia 6.1 unboxing. You can quickly check the Nokia 6.1 unboxing link in the comments section here. So, and in case you don't have a Nokia 6.1 already, then it's a new. So we will treat it a bit better way. So this is the charger, and let's see what else is there. Charger, headphones. So typical packing stuff which you would go and check yourself. Okay, and then you have the booklet here. Okay, so let's quickly move this standard packing stuff away. Now time to play with the Nokia 6.1 4GB RAM version. So when HMD launched this 4GB RAM version, so many were like very interested in this because uh, I mean, even like Nokia 6.1 comes with Snapdragon 630 processor, a new processor, which is a massive upgrade over the Snapdragon 430 processor of Nokia 6 2017. But with 3GB RAM, many felt that it may be like if they can provide a version with 4GB RAM, that will be really massive. So it's here now. So interestingly, like we have done hands-on with Nokia 7 Plus, which comes with like 4GB RAM, and it was like I mean, we must say that it was much better than Nokia 6.1 in terms of multitasking with many games. So with a Snapdragon 630 processor and 4GB RAM, how will Nokia 6.1 4GB RAM version will be handled? So that will be something interesting to see. Okay, so let's boot it up. This then you can see this Android One moniker. So all the like Nokia devices which are like recent and like starting from Nokia 3 and up, they will all be, sorry, like, I think it will be Nokia 3 and up will be Android One devices. So HMD is like one of the lead partners of Google in terms of Android One moniker. So if you are watching it for the first time, you're watching the Nokia 6.1 unboxing for the first time, then we should take you to what all is there. So if you go to the right side, you see the volume rocker and power button, and the bottom you see this like speaker, and then you have this USB-C port, mic. On top you have this 3.5 headphone jack, and on the back you can see 16 megapixel Zeiss camera. So this is something which is like great, and this allows Nokia 6.1 to have this pro camera mode too, which is very good. Then fingerprint sensor moved to the back just below the camera module. So this is how it all looks like. Okay, so let's go now. Time to connect it to Wi-Fi. So now it's connected, and the first thing that it will do, it will check for some updates. So usually HMD is very quick in terms of updates. So obviously, okay. In the meantime, let's talk about the blue gold, how it looks like. So I mean the 3 GB RAM version that we played with was like a black one, and here you have this blue. I mean, so here it may not I mean appear so in all its glory, but yes, the blue gold looks different. So what is good is these accentuations across the edge, and also the same accentuation will so see across the camera module and across this fingerprint sensor. So it gives a kind of fancy modern look, and obviously the color is different. Okay, the standard stuff which we can do later. We want to quickly go to the home screen to see how it looks like. So we'll quickly be to the home screen and then we'll talk more. Yes, now we are back to the home screen. So time for a quick hands-on kind of thing. So as you know, we have like shared our impressions for the Nokia 6.1 3 GB RAM version, and it's just built like a tank. It's more beautiful than the Nokia 6 2017, obviously faster also. So we had shared our impressions of that 3 GB RAM version, and okay, obviously we need to see how fast or slow it is. So we will compare 6 2018 version to the Nokia 6. Uh, I mean 6 2018 3 GB RAM version to compare whether there is any improvement, any advantage because of its 4 GB RAM. So far it looks good, snappy. Let's quickly check the camera. The Pro mode, and this is possible because it comes with a Zeiss camera module. Okay, so here we are with Nokia 6.14 GB RAM version in blue gold color, and obviously we will be comparing it to the Nokia 6.13 GB RAM version to understand what kind of advantage or difference the 1 GB extra RAM will make. So stay tuned for Nokia Power is a YouTube channel for more as we bring more coverage of it. Thanks for watching.